Hi there, Dan from Web Ninja here. Just a quick video on the quickest and easiest way to update all of your content pages, and some of the template aspects of your site. So we've created an editor that we think is quite easy to use. To get started, all you need to do is actually log in to your admin normally. And then what you'll notice is if you go back to your home page, now that you are logged into the admin, you'll see up on the top left corner there's this little pencil icon appears, and if I click on that, that'll open up an extra toolbar that's just available to me, and it'll open up a couple of these drop down things. Now basically this editor, it allows us to drill into any available component on the site directly from the front end, where you can then edit it and resave it. So anything that shows up here is basically an editable option for you to choose on that page. And really simply, if we were to look at something like the menus, just by scanning down through each of those, you'll notice it highlights the menu that I'm looking at. So navigation bar, that's the top menu there. If I was to scroll a bit further down the page, there's a customer service and an Our Company menu down there as well. So all I need to do is actually click on that link. That'll take me into the admin because I'm logged in, and it will also show me exactly where I am. That'll be reflect the menu that I'm trying to edit. So all I would do, say really simply, if I just want to change the sort order of this menu, for example, I just simply move that around and change it, or I might want to add a new menu link, or update an existing link. So by moving that around and then resaving, all I have to do is then refresh my page, and you'll see that project's menu option has also moved. So let's have a look at some of the other things that are available. Obviously menus, so you can get familiar with editing those and updating those. That's all in your control. We also have these things called blocks. Now a block is really just a chunk of content on the page, usually in the template, and a really good example is the logo itself. So let's say you wanted to update your logo or you change your branding. You just need to drill into the logo block. That'll show us the current image that's been used on the site, and we've obviously got a background behind that as well, but that's just a nice simple Web Ninja logo. I could change that, upload a new one, etc., and save it, and that will reflect straight away across the site as well. The other things that are quite useful from a blocks point of view is down in the footer you'll have these little sort of social media links or some more text-based content down in the footer. So we might look at how we might change the copyright information, or if you're updated, say, your phone number, something like that. You might want to put in some completely different information if you wanted. And just resave that. And you'll see straight away those changes again. They're going to reflect on the page. So quite a useful way of dealing with this, I think, is just going to the page that you want to edit and just start scanning through what's available on the page, and then you can drill into it. So here's another really good example on the home page is I might want to add some gallery information. So galleries are typically these big wide banners that sit on the home page. I might want to drill into that. I might want to edit the gallery image that's there, or I might want to add a completely new image and create it more of a carousel type thing. So I could actually upload my image here from the desktop, etc. And then if I wanted to link it specifically to a page or a custom link, I could do that as well. So galleries are another one that are available. And then in terms of page content, we just go through. This is the home page is considered to be a thing called a software page, just because it might have a bit more sort of dynamic content on it. But if I just want to update that video or any of the headings or add some text, I can drill into the software page area and might add something underneath that. Test content for video, and save my page. And if I refresh that page, I'll have a little bit of extra content sitting underneath. There it is. So how that might relate to other pages, let's say you want to update one of your just static content pages. What we do is we navigate to that page. You'll see there's actually less options available up here because there is no gallery on the page, but most of all of the other blocks still and menus are still available because they're part of the template. And then I just want to drill into my About Us page. It'll tell me what that page is and take me straight to the relevant page. And again, I can just start to play around with my content until I'm satisfied with that. Save that content page, and off we go. So we think it's quite quick and easy to use that. The key is you log into the admin first, then navigate to the page that you want to update, and then use this editor just to make sure the aspects of that page are available, and make the changes from there. So hopefully that's helped.